I was wondering why the first couple of rockers I tried were tight, and then I remembered the lobes on the exhaust and the inlets are transposed on, I think it's 2 and 4, because we've got inlet exhaust, exhaust inlet. So instead of doing 1 and 8, you've got to do 1 and 7, and similarly you do 2 and 8 rather than 2 and 7, and then you just got to remember which one's an inlet and which one's an exhaust. So that's an inlet, that's an exhaust, that's an inlet, that's an exhaust. So you set the corresponding inlets when one of them is right down, and the same with the exhausts. Yeah, confused me to start with. Just run the engine for a short while, obviously still missing. I'm getting what, 120 on that one, 160, 160, 150ish. So that one is definitely not running very well, and it was spitting back out of that Venturi. Right, check the compression. Turn it on. No compression. No compression on 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are both showing nothing. 1 and 2 are showing about 190. Right, as 3 and 4 both seem to be doing the same sort of thing, I'm suspecting we've blown the head gasket. I shall need to get the head off and have a look. That'll be a job for tomorrow. Get this away before any rain comes. The coolant drained out as well. So I just need to unbolt the head now. Well, take the rockers off, take the push rods out, take off the water temperature sender, and the head should come off. That's fine. No shims or anything underneath that. Push rods next. Neither. Oh, just about there. Oh. Heavens. Oh, straight. Oh, got it. Oh yes. Burnt through the head. There's a nice gouge in there. Probably have to have that welded. Yeah, going right through the gasket. And I'm saying it's also gouged this underside of the head, the alloy head. Yeah, that type of gasket wasn't recommended. I recommend a steel gasket for these. I recommend ones without the steel fire rings on them, because these can corrode the heads apparently. But yeah, that's definitely damaged. That one is definitely gone. Need to get that welded. That's pretty flat. Yeah, pretty flat. Tiny little high spot there. It's just yeah, tiniest of high spots just there. A little bit of scraping and we'll get that absolutely flat.